Now we are discussing about food, that is a drink, that is fasting tea. We know pretty well about tea, in that it is fasting tea. Green tea is known to soothe hunger pangs and decrease any discomfort while fasting. Feel calm. For a calming spirit, the best teas to fast with are ginger and hibiscus. These teas will support your energy levels but will not leave you feeling jittery like caffeine in a cup of coffee. Next point is it okay to drink tea while fasting? Good hydration is the foundation of the wellness plan, including intermittent fasting. But guzzling water can get boring quick. Tea is a delicious way to stay hydrated during both your fasting and eating windows. Since our teas and calorie free since our teas are calorie free, they are one of the few drinks you can have that won't break a fast. Next point is, what is tea good for fasting? The big advantage is its value ingredients support the effects of fasting. Drinking tea helps you to reduce hunger. Tea boosts your metabolism, fat burning process, and autophagy. Certain ingredients, like for example caffeine, prove you with energy. Next point is, does lemon water break a fast? The truth about lemon water and intermittent fasting. Long story short, the answer to the question, does lemon water break a fast, is no. Lemon water doesn't break a fast. Lemon water contains almost no calories and zero sugars. It doesn't raise insulin levels, which means it will not break your fast. And the next point is, what happens when you drink lemon water for 7 days? Lemon consumption have been found to reduce stress levels and improve moods. If you drink lemon water for a week, your improved energy levels will combine with the natural stress relief properties of lemon juice and result in optimum and controlled mood levels. And next point is, does lemon water reduce belly fat? Does lemon water reduce belly fat means lemon water can produce fullness, support hydration, boost metabolism, and increase weight loss. However, lemon water is no better than regular water when it comes to losing fat. This is the information regarding fasting tea, especially green tea. Fasting tea is nothing but green tea. Green tea is always very good for metabolism and good for health, and it will reduce some hunger also, and so by that also weight loss will be there. So green tea is always prosperous to the health. Wishing you all the best.